Hi, okay, so just quickly, I'm just making a video on how to treat mold. Now, uh, basically, I just went and bought a load of cheap items from a local bargain store. So we've got things like dust mask, some overalls to go over your clothes, obviously to protect it from any dirt or hopefully paint as well. We've got some dust sheets. I bought a couple. Bought some uh, kitchen gloves or long lasting or extra wear rubber gloves, which I bought from Costco actually because they were relatively cheap. Some masking tape. So I bought some of this from Asda, and I also bought some of this from a local bargain store. Uh, I bought a little mini paint roller set, a couple of brushes again from Asda, some safety goggles, and this is basically Ron Seal anti-mold paint. It will keep your walls and ceilings protected for up to 6 years. This one's white matte color. You effectively leave it for about so you do two coats, and you once you've painted it the first time, you leave it for 1 to 2 hours, and by the time it should be touch dry and then ready for the second coat in 4 hours. And then finally, because the walls are magnolia, so I bought also anti-mold magnolia paint online as well. So these two items I bought online, both paints, relatively cheap. I think about £20 roughly, and so that's all I need really to get started. So I've already done a bit of treatment. So I also have this Ron Seal 3-in-1 mold killer, which I basically sprayed up there on the mold. It was a lot worse than that, really dark, really thick patches. And basically what I've done is I've used some microfiber cloths to clean it up. So spray on there, leave it on for a few minutes, and then just wipe up all the mold that basically drips or that you can wipe off with a cloth basically. Now what's recommended is that you wash it with or clean it with a dry cloth. A wet cloth. And then after that, once it's a bit dry, then you clean up any residue. What I did was I basically cleaned it with a cloth and then just threw the cloth away because I bought some microfiber cloths again, really cheap from the local store, the local bargain store. So as you can see, there was a fair bit of mold, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to basically use the masking tape. So these I've bought a couple of rolls. Obviously, in one pack you get a couple of rolls there. Got another roll here. So I'll be using the masking tape. Obviously, in this case, you want to have your safety goggles on and any protective gloves, dust mask, preferably overalls as well. You can lay your dust sheets if you want, but because obviously you don't want it to go in. Normally, do you not want the paint to go on your floors or mess up any kind of furniture or anything? But also, you don't want to have the mold or anything else go into onto your clothes, into your eyes, or on your hands, anything like that. So using the protective gear would be a good idea for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically use the masking tape, put the masking tape around all the edges, and then I'll do some painting over the top now because it's been a while. You're supposed to leave it for maybe about just until it's dry really, before you start painting. But in my case, I've left it for well over 12 hours. So yeah, I'm ready to go. So I'll be putting the masking tape on and then painting all the bits that have been affected, and we'll see how it turns out then.